Okay, so you've spent time defining your culture, your purpose, your values, the behaviors that reflect the values and the culture that you're trying to build. But how do you get everyone in your organization to not only buy into the culture and demonstrate the behaviors you want, but also to become a guardian of that culture? How do you get everyone to stand up and protect the culture of your organization? Well, one of the ways that clients I work with do it is using what we call a playbook. Now, this is a simple 50 to 60 page, beautifully designed and easy to read. It takes about 5 minutes to read from cover to cover. It's an easy to read book that explicitly expands on the values and unpacks them. So everybody knows the underlying attitudes and behaviors that drive the desired culture. It contains the purpose and the culture definition of your organization, and also the outworking of that culture on a day-to-day basis. It has sections on expectations, on how people treat each other and how they treat customers. It talks about freedoms and about how leaders and the organizations will treat the people and the personal benefits of being part of the culture. It's inspiring and encouraging every person in the organization, and everybody gets one, and they become the guardians of the culture. And by putting something like this in people's hands, you physically giving them implicit permission to speak up when something isn't right, when values and the culture are being violated. It essentially means you no longer have to spend hours of your time and your effort trying to get people to behave how you want them. They all know exactly what's expected and they look after each other. If you want to know more about how we can put this to work in your organisation, then get onto the Culture Guy website or give me a call and I'd love to help. Stay safe and remember, think differently, create boldly and change the world.